नाज़रीन, पाकिस्तान ने शाम में शामी क़यादत में अबूरी इंसाफ और कौमी मफादात की भरपूर हिमायत का इयादा किया है। अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा में आरएफ और मौला इजलास से खिताब करते हुए पाकिस्तान के मुस्तक़िल मंदूब सफ़ीर आसिम इफ्तिखार अहमद ने शामी हुकूमत की जानिब से अबूरी इंसाफ और लापता अफराद से मुताल्लिक़ कौमी कमीशंस के क़याम का खैर मकदम भी किया। आसिम इफ्तिखार अहमद ने कहा कि कौमी मिल्कियत, जामा इदारे और मुफाहमत ही शाम में देरपा अमन व मुस्तहकाम की बुनियाद है। सफ़ीर आसिम इफ्तिखार अहमद ने इस बात पर भी जोर दिया कि बैनुल-अक़वामी बरादरी शाम की तामीर नौ, कौमी मुफाहमत और पायदार अमन के लिए शामी हुकूमत और अवाम की मुकम्मल मावनत जारी रखे।
We thank Colombia, Denmark, Luxembourg and Syria for convening this important RA formula meeting, which is a good complement to the discussions that we had in the Security Council this morning. And we also thank the briefers for their valuable insights. Well, President, transitional justice is fundamental to reconciliation, recovery, and peace building in Syria. A comprehensive approach based on national ownership and aspirations of the Syrian people can heal, restore trust, and strengthen social cohesion in the country. And in this backdrop, we welcome the steps taken by the Syrian government, including the establishment of the National Commissions for Transitional Justice and for Missing Persons, and preparation of draft law on transitional justice. These initiatives are important for addressing the consequences of the conflict and need to be supported through appropriate legal and institutional arrangements that would enable them to fulfill their objective and respond to the legitimate expectations of victims and their families. At the same time, effective cooperation between Syrian national institutions and relevant international mechanisms can play an important role in advancing truth, justice, and accountability. International mechanisms, including the IIMP, IIIM, and the Commission of Inquiry, should operate in accordance with their respective mandates and applicable international law while complementing nationally led efforts and respecting Syria's sovereignty and national ownership. Madam President, Syria has endured years of devastating conflict and immense suffering. As it embarks on a new chapter, the international community should support its efforts to achieve lasting peace, stability, reconciliation, and reconstruction. And Pakistan will continue to stand with the government and the people of Syria in their pursuit of a peaceful and prosperous future. I thank you.